It's said that if explosives are sealed in cement, their destructive power will be neutralized during the explosion. In fact, there's a scene in a movie where the main character successfully suppressed the force of 38 kilograms of explosives by pouring 14 tons of cement into a van. To test whether this method actually works, the team decided to use the director's beloved van for the experiment. They split the 38 kilograms of explosives into 2 equal parts and secured them to the center of the vehicle with wooden tables to prevent them from floating during the cement pour. Just like in the movie, they placed dummy figures around the van to simulate potential casualties. Once everything was set, they started pouring the cement into the vehicle. After all 14 tons were in, the van's suspension was so overwhelmed that the entire chassis sagged to the ground. To avoid letting the cement harden, something that might affect the outcome, Adam quickly hit the detonation button. And surprisingly, just like in the movie, the explosion didn't seem to cause any noticeable damage. The dummies remained completely untouched. Could cement really suppress the explosive force? But just as they were packing up, Adam made a shocking discovery. Some of the explosives hadn't gone off. It turned out the detonation cord had come loose, and only a small portion of the charge had actually exploded. Determined to get accurate results, Adam borrowed another van and set up the experiment again. This time, to ensure full detonation, Jamie built a sturdy wooden box to hold the explosives and secured it in the center of the vehicle. After refilling the van with cement, they triggered the explosion again. With a thunderous blast, the van was obliterated, leaving behind nothing but a massive crater. The dummy figures were shredded, blown apart into pieces. This clearly was the real power of 38 kilograms of explosives. Compared to the blast in an empty van, the explosion sealed in cement had far less impact in the horizontal direction. The debris field was also less than half the size. So no, cement doesn't suppress the power of the explosion. It simply redirects the energy.